This World Meditation Day on December 21st, 2025, experience one world, one breath. Join hearts and minds across all the 50 states of United States and around the world. The largest synchronized online meditation in USA, with 50,000 plus meditators participating online from United States and worldwide. Be a part of global wave of collective peace and consciousness. Join us online from anywhere, or experience the energies in person at SLPS Community Center, Irving, Texas from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time, and also at Sharon Elementary School, Atlanta, Georgia from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The event is free and open to all, with a complimentary plant-based lunch for every guest. This event is being organized by PSSM USA and presented by Omega Pyramid. Watch live on YouTube at Omega Pyramid. Media partner PMC. Register on